little lip work. So you're gonna gently get the lip, try to relax. So you're just gonna kind of sweep around, gently pull down, gently pull down. Cover her nose a little bit. Go around to her lower lip. Cover her nose. Now I'm going to go intraorally. Turn your head a little bit. Last time we did my pinky.
We should probably go around the other side.
Yeah. So you're gonna get your pinky all the way back to the end of the joint right here. And you can use your other hand to kind of sweep through. Now if you can get your thumb in there, let me see. Not working yet. So just sweeping, a little tight right there. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other side in a second, but let's do the flip stretch. Index finger on the lower teeth. Now she's got a tooth right here that hurts her, the lower left. I'm going to try to work around it.